In case you were wondering what will be the next step, well, you can continue with your education and training with AspenTech as follows. Well, I'm going to show you the Aspen Plus softwares and Aspen HYSYS software. They are similar in that they are used to model processes, but of course each one of them has different applications. In real life, you will either work with Aspen Plus or Aspen HYSYS. Well, first things first, we were working with Aspen Plus. So the next step will be to enroll into a basic course, which will show you a little bit more in unit operations, more on how to get help, more on reporting, more on how to solve warnings and errors. The intermediate course will most likely show you more on logical operators, more on insensitivity cases, analysis, and so on. The advanced course will be a little bit more specific on unit operations that are not that used. They will be more on the type of industry you're working for, and I think it will be much more niche applications. Also, you will want to work with dynamics, maybe even the economic analysis, heat exchange analysis, and the safety analysis. Those will be more likely to be specific courses. If you want to learn a little more on the basic course I was telling you, well, essentially you have everything here. You can click pause and read it. I already explained it. It's more on the unit operations, more on the, let's say it's much more workshops and case studies. You will have to work more on simulations, and you will be able to do more complex simulations, more components, to choose different fluid packages, more unit operations, better reporting, and better analysis with further optimization. More on technical stuff, more on physical properties. How can you add your own substances, petroleum assays, how to add graphs, maybe properties, substance properties, and so on. You will be able also in further advanced courses to increase, I don't know, maybe batch separation, reactor engineering, more on CSTR, more kinetic theory, more equilibrium, understand more unit operations. In specific course, well, you will have much more, let's say, specific on your niche, and as well we will add more logical operators. So this will be Aspen HYSYS. Is pretty similar. You can take it as well. I would recommend because it helps you. Maybe you like it much more. I've been working with both of them. I think HYSYS is a little bit more intuitive, but Plus is also very, very, let's say, powerful. So it depends on what type of process you're going to do. I can say you overall which one is the best. It depends mostly on what type of process you will be working on. Also, Aspen HYSYS is much more used in the oil and gas industry. There are specific courses for that. You can work much more for petroleum assays and with heat exchange. So guys, last but not least, I really wanted to thank you that you took the time to take this course. Hopefully you like it. Please leave a review. It really helped me, especially be specific. Tell me what you like, what you didn't like, and of course I will try to improve for this course if I can, and if not, for further cases. Typically they tell me that they want me to be more dynamic, to show my face, and I will definitely try to do that in further cases, in future cases. And yeah, whatever your review is, I really appreciate it. If it's 5-star review or 1-star review, I really appreciate it. It helped me to improve for you and for many other students. So yeah, essentially that's all I wanted to show you guys. I really appreciate it, and see you in the next courses if I see you, or maybe, I don't know, you never know when you're going to meet a fellow engineer. Bye bye.